Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tetrified Us. I am Madhurima and we are back after a long time. And today I will create this beautiful lilac makeup look. So let's get ready with me. First, to prep my skin, I will apply this facial oil by Nykaa, a few drops of it, then massage it into my skin. Then I will use this master primer by Maybelline for the smooth application of makeup. I am using this concealer by LA Girl in the shade medium beige to cancel out all the darkness around my eyes and my mouth area. And I am using my damp beauty blender to blend it all out. For foundation, I am using this Maybelline Superstay Matte Foundation in the shade 128. This is a full coverage foundation and it also lasts for a pretty long time. For this also I am using my beauty blender to blend this all out. For highlighting under my eyes, I am using this concealer by Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20. I am also using this as the base for my eyeshadow. I am using this loose powder by Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light. This is a really good loose powder and I am using this to set my under eyes and my face. I am using this eyebrow pencil by Etude House for filling in my brows. I just like to brush my eyebrows with a spoolie first and then just fill the gaps. I will be using the Norvina palette for my eyes and taking the shade Incense as my transition color. I take a long time to blend, so bear with me guys. Then I will take this beautiful periwinkle color named Soul and then pat it on the outer corner of my eye and also on the inner corner. And again blend. Then I will take this beautiful shade named Celestial with my finger and apply it in the middle part of my eyes. Then with a clean brush I will blend the edges to make it look more seamless. Then I will apply the color Soul to my lower lash line. Then I completed my another eye off camera. Ta-da! For bronzing up my face, I will be using this Muru Muru Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And I will apply this under my cheekbones and on my jawline. I will be using this beautiful blush by Flower Beauty in the shade Sweet Pea. For highlighting my face, I am using the Master Chrome by Maybelline in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Then I am using the eyelash curler to give my non-existent lashes a lift. I am using my favorite Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal to make my eyelashes a bit visible. I'm using this lip liner by K Beauty in the shade High Impact, and I slightly overline my lips. Then using my all-time favorite nude lipstick by MAC in the shade Meher to fill in my lips. And it's done. That's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I filmed after a long time, so please forgive my mistakes. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell button. That's all. Bye bye.